Question 1. From which menu you can insert header and footer? A. Insert menu, B. View menu, C. Format menu, D. Tools menu. Correct answer is A. Insert menu. Question 2. To get to the symbol dialog box, click on the dash menu and choose symbol. A. Insert, B. Format, C. Tools, D. Table. Correct answer is A. Insert. Question 3. Dash is an option in font group. A. Strike through, B. Find, C. Replace, D. Change styles. Correct answer is A. Strike through. Question 4. Name the button in the picture. A. Font color, B. Fill color, C. Page color, D. Highlighter tool. Correct answer is D. Highlighter tool. Question 5. Shortcut for document views toolbar is situated in dash bar. A. Taskbar, B. Status bar, C. Toolbar, D. Title bar. Correct answer is B. Status bar. Question 6. To open an exciting document, click on the dash and then select Open. A. MS Office button, B. Quick Access toolbar, C. Document views, D. Ribbon. Correct answer is A. MS Office button. Question 7. Bullets and numbering is in dash tab. A. Home tab, B. Insert tab, C. Page layout tab, D. View tab. Correct answer is A. Home tab. Question 8. Cut, copy and paste is in dash group in the Home tab. A. Font, B. Page setup, C. Clipboard, D. Editing. Correct answer is C. Clipboard. Question 9. Dash is used to convert from uppercase to lowercase and vice versa. A. Toggle case, B. Sentence case, C. Lowercase, D. Uppercase. Correct answer is A. Toggle case. Question 10. Pressing F8 key for 3 times selects A. word, B. a sentence, C. a paragraph, D. entire document. Correct answer is B. a sentence. Question 11. What is the shortcut key you can press to create a copyright sample? A. Alt plus Control plus C, B. Alt plus C, C. Control plus C, D. Control plus Shift plus C. Correct answer is A. Alt plus Control plus C. Question 12. The keys starting with character F1 to F12 is A. Arrow keys, B. Function keys, C. Alphabet keys, D. Numeric keys. Correct answer is B. Function keys. Question 13. What is the smallest and largest font size available in font size tool on formatting toolbar? A. 8 and 72, B. 8 and 64, C. 12 and 72, D. None of above. Correct answer is A. 8 and 72. Question 14. Which of the following is graphics solution for word processors? A. Clipart, B. WordArt, C. Dropquip, D. All of above. Correct answer is A. Clipart. Question 15. A character that is raised and smaller above the baseline is known as A. Outline, B. Raised, C. Superscript, D. Subscript. Correct answer is C. Superscript. Question 16. The Shows tool in MS Word is used for A. Spelling suggestions, B. Grammar options, C. Synonyms and antonyms word, D. All of above. Correct answer is C. Synonyms and antonyms word. Question 17. Which of the following is not valid version of MS Office? A. Office XP. B. Office Vista. C. Office 2007. D. None of above. Correct answer is B. Office Vista. Question 18. The key F12 opens a save as dialog box. B. Open dialog box. C. Save dialog box. D. Close dialog box. Correct answer is A. Save as dialog box. Question 19. What is the shortcut key to open the open dialog box? A. F12. B. Shift F12. C. Alt plus F12. D. Control plus F12. Correct answer is D. Control plus F12. Question 20. Which of the following is not available on the ruler of MS Word screen? A. Tab stop box. B. Left indent. C. Right indent. D. Center indent. Correct answer is D. Center indent. Question 21. Which file starts MS Word? A. WinWord.exe. B. Word.exe. C. MSWord.exe. D. Word 2003.exe. Correct answer is A. WinWord.exe. Question 22. If you want to keep track of different editions of a document, which features will you use? A. Editions. B. Versions. C. Track change. D. All of above. Correct answer is B. Versions. Question 23. Background color or effects applied on a document is not visible in A. Web layout view. B. Print layout view. C. Reading view. D. Print preview. Correct answer is D. Print preview. Question 24. What is the portion of a document in which you set certain page formatting options? A. Page. B. Document. C. Section. D. Page setup. Correct answer is C. Section. Question 25. Borders can be applied to a cells. B. Paragraph. D. Text. D. All of above. Correct answer is D. All of above. Question 26. Which of the following is not a type of page margin? A. Left. B. Right. C. Center. D. Top. Correct answer is C. Center. Question 27. What is the default left margin in Word 2003 document? A. 1 inch. B. 1.25 inch. C. 1.5 inch. D. 2 inch. Correct answer is B. 1.25 inch. Question 28. Portrait and landscape are A. Page orientation. B. Paper size. C. Page layout. D. All of above. Correct answer is A. Page orientation. Question 29. Which of the following is not a font style? A. Bold. B. Italic. C. Regular. D. Superscript. Correct answer is D. Superscript. Question 30. If you need to change the typeface of a document, which menu will you choose? A. Edit. B. View. C. Format. D. Tools. Correct answer is C. Format. Question 31. Which of the following is an absolute cell reference? A. Exclamation mark A. Exclamation mark 1. B. Dollar A. $1. C. Hash A. Hash 1. D. A1. The correct answer is B. $A. $1. Question 32. In Word, the mailing list is known as the A. Datasheet. B. Source. D. Data source. D. Sheet. Correct answer is C. Data source. Question 33. It is possible to dash a data source before performing a merge. A. Create. B. Modify. C. Sort. D. All of the above. Correct answer is D. All of the above. Question 34. Which of the following is not a valid zoom percentage in Excel? A 10, B 100, C 300, D 500. Correct answer is D 500. Question 35. Which of the following formulas is not entered correctly? A is equal 10 plus 50, B is equal B7 multiply B1, C is equal B7 plus 14, D 10 plus 50. Correct answer is D 10 plus 50. Question 36. The spelling tool is placed on dash toolbar. A. Standard. B. Formatting. C. Driving. D. Reviewing. Correct answer is A. Standard. Question 37. Which of the following is not a valid data type in Excel? A. Number. B. Character. C. Label. D. Dash/time. Correct answer is A. Number. Question 38. Comments put in cells are called A. SmartTip, B. CellTip, D. WebTip, D. SoftTip. Correct answer is B. CellTip. Question 39. Which menu option can be used to split windows into two? A. Format window, B. View window split, C. Window split, D. View split. Correct answer is C. Window split. Question 40. You can activate a cell by A. Pressing the tab key, B. Clicking the cell, C. Pressing an arrow key, D. All of above. Correct answer is D. All of above. Question 41. To insert three columns between columns D and E, you would A. Select column D, B. Select column E, C. Select column E, F and G, D. Select column D, E and F. Correct answer is B. Select column E. Question 42. An Excel workbook is a collection of A. Workbooks, B. Worksheets, C. Charts, D. Worksheets and charts. Correct answer is D. Worksheets and charts. Question 43. Hyperlinks cannot be A. Special shapes like stars and banners, B. Rhyming objects like rectangles and ovals, C. Pictures, D. All can be hyperlinks. Correct answer is D. All can be hyperlinks. Question 44. When you print preview a worksheet, A. The entire worksheet is displayed, B. The selected range is displayed, C. The active portion of the worksheet is displayed, D. A, B and C. Correct answer is D. A, B and C. Question 45. You can open the sort dialog box by choosing sort from the dash menu. A. View, B. Format, C. Tools, D. Data. Correct. Correct answer is D. Data. Correct. Question 46. Which of the following is not a valid zoom percentage in Excel? A. 10, B. 100, C. 300, D. 500. Correct answer is D. 500. Question 47. Which function will you use to enter current time in a worksheet cell? A. Is equal today bracket start bracket hour, B. Is equal now bracket start bracket hour, C. Is equal time bracket start bracket hour, D. Is equal current time bracket start bracket hour. Correct answer is B. Is equal now bracket start bracket hour. Question 48. Merge cells option can be applied from A. Format cells dialog box, alignment tab, B. Formatting toolbar, C. Both of above, D. None of above. Correct answer is A. Format cells dialog box, alignment tab. Question 49. Which of the following format you can decide to apply or not in auto format dialog box? A. Number format. B. Border format. C. Font format. D. All of above. Correct answer is D. All of above. Question 50. When a range is selected, how can you activate the previous cell? A. Pressing the Alt key. B. Pressing tab. C. Press enter. D. None of above. Correct answer is D. None of above. Thanks for watching.